Hipa's doing a promotion through May 26th through June 3rd. Buy one, get the second 50% off. Go visit their website. Description
here
will have
on
the
YouTube
links.
land. So we got a special treat today. Hipa was nice enough to send me a chain. It is a full chisel. This is 84 driver, and it is a safety chain. So it's a reduced kickback or low kickback, if you want to say that. Some of the things that I've noticed right off the bat of starting it, it kind of has similarities of a steel chain and similarities of an organ chain. So something that I've kind of noticed is, you know, it's a fairly nice looking chain. Drivers look pretty good. I mean, they don't have exactly like the channels organ does, or even what steel has to channel the bar oil, but it doesn't look too bad. So first thing we're going to do after now introducing this chain is crack open a rock star, because we got to have those. Good old-fashioned rock star. So what we're going to do is we're going to be putting this chain, brand new chain, 84 driver, so it's a 24-inch bar, or aka 25-inch bar if you're a steel fan. We're going to be putting it on this Echo 620 PW. I really like these Echo saws that I've got. I've got a couple of them. I've got the 590 Timber Wolf, where I've done some muffler mods on it, timing advance on the ignition. May have got a little too far on the timing advance on the ignition. So we're going to be running this bone stock 620 right here. We're going to get this all mounted up. It is a brand new bar. It says Timber Wolf, but it's not a Timber Wolf we're going to be running it on. So this bar's been sitting in my shop for a while, and I was like, yeah, perfect time to throw this chain on. So I'll get this all put on. I've got to get some more test logs. We are running pretty low here at the shop, so I will go film some real world cutting with this thing and see how she does. I'll see you back later. All right, we're back. We're up here at a local place. Some of my viewers might recognize it. We are going to try this chain out from Hipa. I've already had one person run it, and he was pretty pleased with it. My turn. I'm a little bit more critical about chains and how they cut and how they order or oil. So let's go for it and see what she does. Well, not too bad. A little grabby. I guess the true test is when you start sharpening them, and I guess we'll do like a 6-month review or something and see how she comes out of it. But so far, not too shabby.